Guys.
Pamark siya, pamark please.
Put up OC, keep.
Yo, wait for the plater. It's okay. Chill.
Sinzus, stop.
10D sila, 10D, 10D.
Then okay. We play inside, guys. Yeah, we play inside. We play inside. We are full brawl, guys. We are full brawl. Just come to the second gate. Come second gate. Come southwest a bit more. Mababang tayo dito. Get inside, boys. Get inside. What's our DA? 4?
4.
We play inside castle, guys. We play inside castle. Tangina, dami ah. Kaya ba? Pag nag-15 sabihin niya.
11 na.
Ulitin mo. Intindihin mo kasi yung ano.
We kill this. May brawl din sila. Hold lang. Opinions? Pag may napatay sila, no? Actions. Kaya?
GG. 11 pa din. Pero may chance na ma-work tayo dito.
Pinubok.
Guys, on the game? Okay. Okay. Na, gago, ang dami. Mount up, boys. Come southwest. Mount up. Fast. Mount up. Run. Full run, boys. Full run. Dami, gago.
Pinigubang ko sa south, ha?
Yeah. Go. Get out. Just full get out. Full get out. Ang dami. Buti lang din, foot up. Come southwest. Come northwest now. Just full get out, boys. Full get out. Ang dami, gago. Nakita niyo yung brawlers nila?
Oo, ang dami ka.
6.3, 7.3. Na. Full get out. Come northwest. Let them be. At least nag-OC na sila. No one took food, right? No one took food. Yeah, it's too much.
May isa akong nakikitang nag-food up.
It's too much, bro. It's too much. We're gonna get right there. I mean, if it's both clubs, it's okay. But the issue is we saw what they all this. We saw bro. There's like 2 Zergs, 1 club and then 1 full.
Sa flatlands, merong purple. Northeast
Come
na.
northeast, global northeast.
Ano yun, umalis lang after natin.
Pinausin natin sila.
Di natin kaya, dami. It's too many, boys. We don't have enough.
Yan DA.
12.
12.
Ato ba?
Dumadami sila kada...
Dumami. Gago. Nah, it's too much, guys. It's too much. I don't want to int you guys.
Kanina Jogi lang. Nagkaroon ng China.
Yeah, we should have honestly, what we should have done there, we should have fought them while they were still outside. Winipe natin yung China bago dumating yung Juge. Ay, yung Juge. Winipe natin yung Juge bago dumating yung China.
Kailangan namin pierce doon po. May mapapatay sana kami.
Sayang no. Yung all engage.
Kaya Zara nalalaglag ka ba?
Helicopter yan.
In DRP, go northeast. DRP, go northeast.
Uy, legit.
Keep going northeast, guys. Keep going.
Akala ko, basag na yung asanggat na kayo ng...
Uy, kanino yung mic na yun, boy?
Guys, northeast.
Kaya nga, legit na eh.
Pa-server mute nga muna yung yung nagsasalita, yung maingay. Keep going northeast, guys. Keep going northeast.
Tignan natin yung first dito.
You can kill the first another.
Mamatay na ako.
Just keep going northeast, guys. Keep going northeast, guys. Keep going northeast. You can kill the mobs, but just keep going northeast. Everything else, ignore. We're not taking this outpost, boys. We're not taking this outpost.
Di ba? Okay.
Nakikita niyo ba yung battle brave plane? Ano na yun? Pero ibig sabihin, mahati yung Zerg nila.
Cleared na yung ano. Sorry, binasigaw.
Ba't parang may na-dismount?
Keep going northeast, please. Keep going northeast. Be fast. We need to be fast, boys.
Anong tsura ng boss dito? Sino na nag-try ng Pearl?
Kalansay.
Parang may carrot na may armor.
Yung ano,
Skeleton.
yung may carrot.
Guys, in flatland, go southeast. Flatland, go southeast.
Yung lumulutang, yan yung boss dyan.
Ano
Be
tawag
fast, be
sa
fast.
activity na yun? Tracking.
Okay.
Dual swords yung sa tracking, di ba?
Guys, keep going southeast. Keep going southeast. Be fast. Be careful of gankers, ha? Be careful of ganker.
Step.
Daming ganker.
Enemy low, go northeast. Enemy low, go northeast.
Kaya castle tayo. Please.
Arbak lang sila yan, di ba? Sa AR.
Pero hati pa rin yung zerg nila. Mafe-flip natin in 2 minutes tong castle. As long as we're not stupid. Then we can take defensive side. Then open the chest, then we go run. We just need to overwhelm them. I need you guys to be faster, guys. Stop doing unnecessary shit. We need to be faster. One guy scout here, one guy scout here.
16 drift.
Yeah, just go hustle, boys. Just trying to take it.
I'll scout meadow, tipo.
Yeah, stay there in middle. Or actually,
Tumatake.
better. Come southeast. Ba't kayo pumunta dyan? Follow around.
May 5 ka pa dito ah. May 5 ka pa sa meadow na stragglers.
CCTV is here.
Siguro.
So, yan na yung isang bilog.
No.
That's not
Check pa. Who was that?
China.
Southeast. May blob
16
southeast
dito.
of meadow.
Putang
16
May
dito.
one gin dito sa
Yeah, yeah.
sa flatland.
Meadow 16 to 50.
Regrip me.
Going to you. 16 to 50 meadow going northeast, going to
Yeah,
king.
it's us. We are level 16, boys. We are level 16. Come northeast. Come in, just come in. This is Elias.
Ano?
We are level 19, boys. We are level 19.
Pwede natin hingin sa nila to. Oo, kukunin nila.
Nakikita ko sila.
Guys. Keep going lang.
Bom.
Kill that.
Oh, shit.
Guys, ready, southeast now. Guys, kill this guys. Brawl them southeast, boys. Nice.
Oh my God.
Ano, wipe yan. Sige. Keep rolling. Heal, bro. Heal. Get out. Putang ina mo. Wala na scout. Guys, come southwest. Come southeast. Kite.
Oo, nakampota.
Kago
No
niyo.
one scouted.
Wala.
Come southeast, guys. Kite. Get out. Get out. What the fuck, bro?
Kasundan tayo sa puwit.
Where the fuck did they come from, bro? Get out.
Meadow.
Meadow, sinabi ko na kipo na they're coming from meadow, 16
Yeah,
to
but-
50.
19 tayo.
Yeah. Guys, mount up. Regroup. No, I know. Pero walang nagsabi, walang nakabantay sa likod natin.
Wala.
From
Nagbubong
the entrance, ang layo na.
Yung invi aabot dito. Yung invi aabot.
Yeah, abot nga. Pero kita mo pa rin dapat na may kalaban. Where's CCTV? Come northwest.
Saka 10 seconds yun pag
Come northwest. Regroup. We're fighting with CCTV.
Nasa loob ng CCTV.
Come in. Everyone fucking come in. Come in. Come northwest. Go northwest. You want this man and fuck them up. Go northwest, boys. Go northwest. Go in, boys. Go inside. Just stay mounted. Go inside. Go northwest. Stay mounted. Go northwest. Okay? Stay mounted. Go northwest. Foot up. Aussie. Okay? Foot up, Aussie. Guys. Be ready. Southeast. Come southeast. Walk with me southeast. Southeast, guys. Come southeast. We go to their backline. Come to their backline. We flash them. Guys, come. Push them. Push their backline. Come southwest. Let's go. Guys, Here, northwest now. Guys, ready? On this guys, on powers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything. Just kill this guys. Keep killing the guys. Keep killing boys. Keep killing. Kill the guys. Like, spread southwest. Ready defensives. Get heals. Spread southwest. Heals. Get heals. Spread southwest lang. Spread southwest boys. Spread southwest. Get heals. Spread southwest. Sa southwest lang kayo guys. Then now you can roll in. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. We have allies ha. Ready north.
Ready.
Northwest. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the middle, boys. On the middle. Just drop. Just kill everything. Northwest ha. Yung northwest. Itong malalambot guys. Be ready ha. Yung northwest. Ito sa tabi ko. Stay with the crowd. Brawl the guys on the crown. Brawl the guys near the crown. Keep wiping them. Sige. Patayin nyo. Mamamatay na tong mga to. Patayin nyo lang guys. Keep killing them. Keep killing. Ito lang. Ito. Guys, keep. Ito yung 7.3 ah. This is 7.3 bro. This is 7.3. By the way. 7.3.
Yung perma.
Ha?
I'm ready.
Perma na 7.3 no?
Northeast guys. Northeast in 5,
Ready.
4,
Sige pa ako sa
3,
gitna.
2, 1. On me. Nice.
Punta ako. Yun,
Nice. We got it. Spread. Get heals. Q's and W's. Get heals. Go southeast a bit more. Get heals lang. Nice. We're kind of wiping then. We're also wiped, but it's okay. Spread. Come west.
Wala tayong healer.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we just play with allies. Ready southwest, guys. Cool down. Southwest. Yeah. Southwest now. Hold. Southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Just drop on me. Kill this guys. Nice. Kill. Just one more guy. Just one more healer. One more healer.
For
shit.
that.
I think we should get out. Allies.
Hindi pa city. Tayo ng gulo.
No. Stay here. We can chill. Just keep rolling.
Mayroon ng bagong mga allies.
Even if pasok yung guys, ito yung sinasabi ko. Even pasok yung ingat kayo sa northeast. Be careful. I'm good. I'm still good. I'm still good. Southwest now. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. This guy. Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa. Panalo tayo.
Panalo tayo.
We
This
win
guy.
in.
Be careful.
We win
Okay. Keep killing.
May mapa marating.
Kill what you want. Spread.
Maglulot ako ah.
Keep rolling. Oh my god. Heal. Heal. Keep healing.
City
If you
okay
can,
lang.
di tayo panalo.
Tayo na city.
Hindi, kaya pa. Ano middle guys?
Aray. Gago namatay ako.
Ano middle?
Meron bagong respo.
Oh my god. May regear sila.
Irigger.
May regear gago. Ang sakit. I'm dead. I'm kinda dead. Kaya siya get out. Try to get out.
Kada dem.
Oo, nag-cancel ka pa.
Hindi, napindot ko. Yeah, get out. We got wiped there. Hindi, what I mean is guys, walang nakakita na nagtanggal sila ng invis sa likod.
Walang tao. I mean, bonking lahat.
Nagbobonk lahat.
Everyone was bonking and then no one like considered, oh shit. Yeah, I know we outed them, but we got surprised.
Yung heaven base na tumala.
Siguro naging confident yung tao kasi meron tayong allies sa kabila.
Yeah, I know we had allies on the southwest. Guys, get out, boys, get out. Are we wiped? No, we're not. Are we wiped? Like, are we fucking wiped? Come in. Oh, no, we're not wiped. Come in. Putang ina, mag-loot kayo, gago.
Nangyari. Ang dami loot dyan. Nakuha ko 7.3. Ano ba tayo?
Wala, nakuha na. Nag-loot ako, gago.
May laban pa ba?
Sinaki po, GG na.
It's
Any
okay.
healers? Pa-heal them on?
Yeah.
O wala na ba?
Wala na. We're good. Try to
Kaya nyo makuha ng CCTV yung share naman nila yung loot ata.
Oo. Walang tumingin
Wala
na
ba?
ditang kahit isa sa likod. Wala talaga. Lahat nakatingin sa gate.
Yeah, guys, we need to have people watching the back, guys.
Ano po? Ipo, tanong ko lang. Alam naman natin pag ditang ka, ba't mo kailangan makasama sa surge? Dapat ikaw ay mag-observe ng buong area. Sorry to the words ha.
Patalo pala kayo? Daming patay. Grabe.
Do we give this to
No, we keep it. It's okay.
May time tayo para makareact nun eh. Nag-snare charge yung mace tapos mga 5
Oo
seconds
nga.
bago pa pumalo yung mga DPS nila. Ang tagal pumalo.
Nakalabas na ako dito sa dito na sa gate. Tapos
Yun nga kasi nagulat talaga tayo. Ang dami na nilang red.
pag na-night armor sana ako, naitip na ako sa
Get out. Malito get out. It's fine.
Parang wala nga nagigay, oh.
Nagulat lang tayo doon. Nakakainis.
Tara may itsura ko. Tara may itsura ko. Ewan ko ba't yung leg ko pala itsura ko tuloy.
Ulit niya sa umpisa.
Wala eh. Late na ako nakapag ano.
Di,
Ako
okay.
pindot.
Ako meron.
Yung ano
Kaso
na-
nga lang, sa may lord room ako.
Sa akin din.
Ito dapat southwest tayo.
At pumasok lang sa lord room.
Oo.
Dapat nga pumasok tayo, Lord.
Ako
Kala
pumasok
ko di pa basag eh.
Siguro
Ay,
ang,
but
Hindi, di ba basta-
ang isang mali ko doon, nag-dismount kasi ako doon sa may backline kaya hindi ko nakita rin kung nag-dismount sila sa likod ninyo.
Saan na kayo guys? Wala na akong makitang kaparte dito sa link.
We're still in plane. Chill lang kayo guys. We're in plane.
Apat
Don't worry, everyone who died will just do like 1.5 emery gear.
Ilulot naman daw sa atin. Ano, Kipo?
Yeah, we're gonna regear people guys. Don't worry. Just chill. That was fuck, bro.
Ipo.
Hmm.
Nag-announce yung CCTV. So sila yung prayo pero lahat naman ng loot is split. So kapag may tao daw, bigay na lang daw sa kanila. I mean kapag may mass sila.
Okay, no problem.
Nasabi ba ni Will sa'yo? Hindi.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Pero
So
kapag-
keep in mind na lang dun sa mga officers rin. Kapag may ibang callers. Kunyari ganyan. Bibigay naman nila yung loot eh.
Wala problema.
Ah.
Fuck. Tangin na talaga. Pero guys, if you're a D-Tang, if you're like, guys, someone watch the back, please. Like, bro, it's a fucking narrow choke. And no one was watching the back. We got fucked there. So hard, bro.
Dalawa pa lang.